Closer.
Okay. Am I going to be talking or are you taking pictures?
So they want to know, one, first of all, like, how do you feel about the community here and the conditions here for winter sports and winter sports activities?
We really should be doing this interview after I've been here a little bit.
Yeah.
So, my name is Weendy Gilmore. I'm the Canadian High Commissioner to Pakistan. This is my first visit to Madaklasht. What I can tell you is that right off the bat, it is an absolutely beautiful community. The mountains and the trees and the snow make me feel, as a Canadian, very much at home. This reminds me of Canada. It's absolutely wonderful to be here.
The potential of tourism and what the government needs to do you think?
Well, it's so for me, tourism is first and foremost has to be done in a responsible manner. I would love tourists to come to Madaklasht to be able to experience this beautiful environment, but I want them to do so in a way that is helpful to the environment and not damaging to it. So that means that they have to take care of their waste, their pollution, that there has to be facilities here that are sustainable, that make sure that tourists are a benefit and they don't consume very scarce water resources and power resources for the community. But if those things are taken into account and planned for appropriately, tourism can be a huge benefit to communities like Madaklasht.
Thank you so much.